The 1 minute trick for instant firmness? Men's sexual health. The 1 minute trick to restore your confidence when things go soft. Have you ever been in this situation? Everything is heating up, your mind is completely excited, but your little buddy suddenly leaves the building. I know how painful that sense of helplessness is when your mind is ready but your body betrays you, leaving you panicked and stuck. Maybe you felt desperate, worried you're past your prime, or tired of superficial prescriptions that only address the symptoms while ignoring the fear of losing the flame in your relationship. But don't despair. I'm here to help. This simple under 1 minute trick will completely change your game. Instead of relying on chemicals, I'll reveal how to activate the mini pump right inside your body. By combining deep breathing techniques with contracting your pelvic floor muscles, the same muscles you use to hold your urine, you'll create a powerful lifting force at the base of your penis and bring firmness back immediately. To not miss out on tips for naturally and safely regaining your masculine vitality, please subscribe to the channel right now so we can take care of your health together every day. The truth about nitric oxide and your natural blood pump. Before diving into the steps, I want you to understand this core truth. Erection is fundamentally all about blood flow. For your little buddy to achieve ideal firmness, blood not only needs to be pumped in, but also retained within the tissues. And there are two main characters controlling this entire process that few people pay attention to. First is the nervous system. Imagine this. If you're stressed, anxious, or afraid about your performance, your body will automatically enter a fight or flight state. At this point, blood vessels will constrict and close the gates, preventing blood from circulating. That's why relaxation is the key to opening the first door. The second character is nitric oxide, NO, a gas that acts like a pathfinder, helping dilate blood vessels to welcome the flow. But here's what will surprise you. There's a silent enemy destroying your nitric oxide every day, and that's antibacterial mouthwash. These mouthwashes inadvertently kill off the beneficial bacteria in your mouth. Tiny factories that help convert nitrates from food into nitric oxide for your body. So if you're having issues, try reviewing your mouthwash habits. Finally, to prevent blood from escaping, we need pelvic floor muscles. This is the mini pump located right at the base, responsible for squeezing tight and holding blood in to maintain lasting firmness. When you combine relaxing your nervous system, boosting nitric oxide, and activating this pump at the right time, the results will come so fast you won't believe it. Right now, we'll go through the detailed 6-step process to make it happen. The 6-step upgrade process, bringing your vitality back. Now, let's do this process together. You can do it right now to feel the change, or apply it quietly during intimacy without your partner even knowing. Don't view this as a dry clinical exercise. See it as a way to completely master your own body. Step 1. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Breathe so your belly expands, not just your chest. Breathing through your nose is extremely important because this is where the body's largest storage of nitric oxide is located. It helps calm your nervous system immediately. Step 2. Hold your breath for 2 seconds, a brief pause for oxygen to begin permeating and spreading throughout your blood vessels. Step 3. Exhale slowly for 6 to 8 seconds with a sound. Here's the upgrade tip for you. When exhaling through your mouth, create a gentle humming sound in your throat. This vibration combined with slow breathing creates a temporary oxygen deficit, helping release a powerful wave of nitric oxide, making you feel much calmer and more confident. Step 4. Activate your pelvic floor pump. Right while exhaling and humming, tighten your pelvic floor muscles, the muscles you use to stop urinating midstream. Imagine you're gently lifting it up. This action will directly push blood into the erectile tissues. You'll feel a very clear lifting force at the base of your penis. Step 5, release your entire body. Let all muscles completely relax after the pump has done its job. Step 6, repeat for 3 to 5 cycles. Each cycle only takes about 10-15 seconds. And after just over 1 minute of practice, you'll see firmness return stronger than ever. This technique works effectively because you're simultaneously dilating blood vessels chemically, nitric oxide, while pumping blood mechanically, pelvic floor muscles. If you want to enhance it further, you can do some quick exercises like 10 squats or push-ups to promote even faster blood circulation. transforming technique into intimacy with your partner. One final important thing I want to share: this technique isn't just a mechanical task for you to solve alone. Many of us feel pressured or bored due to a lack of real connection with our partner. Instead of doing it secretly while anxious, try performing this breathing routine while embracing or during foreplay with your partner. When you relax your body through breathing and gentle humming, that relaxation will spread to your partner as well. At this point, breathing isn't just for pumping blood, it becomes a bridge connecting emotions, helping both of you sync up and be fully present with each other. When your mind is no longer worried about having to be hard, but only focused on connection, that's when this technique transforms a stressful incident into a truly sublime moment. Long-term recovery, making vitality your instinct. The 1 minute trick I just shared is a great lifesaver, but I know you want more. You want your masculine vitality to be an instinct that's always present, not just the result of an exercise. To achieve that, we need to talk about long-term recovery. First, address the biggest concern. How do I avoid getting distracted during intimacy? The answer is to turn this 6-step technique into an automatic reflex. Don't wait until you're in the bedroom to start counting breaths. Practice it anytime, while driving, sitting at work, or even walking. When you practice enough, your body will automatically activate the pump and nitric oxide flow without you having to spend a second thinking during the moment. Second, add fuel to your blood vessels. The breathing technique helps release nitric oxide, but your body needs raw materials to produce it. A diet rich in nitrates from leafy greens, beets, and avoiding antibacterial mouthwash will help keep blood vessels supple and ready to dilate. Finally, don't forget that erectile function is a window reflecting your overall health. Besides breathing, add short but high-intensity exercise bursts like 10 squats or 10 push-ups daily to boost circulation. If your condition doesn't improve after trying everything, don't just settle for superficial prescriptions. Work with your doctor to dig deep into finding the root causes to heal from within. You're not old or past your prime. You just need to relearn how to operate your own magnificent machine. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to listen and take care of yourself. I understand that sexual health issues are often very difficult to share, but remember that a man's vitality isn't defined by a few temporary incidents or a simple age number. You deserve to have the confidence and happiest connection in your life. To never feel alone on your journey to regain your form and to stay updated with the most orthodox and safe medical knowledge, please subscribe to the channel right now. This will be where we decode together all questions about men's health that you may have never heard anywhere else.